Do you have a toe bump, hallux valgus, or bunion? Let's support better foot alignment. How to wear bunion splint. Bunion splint. Place your foot on a flat surface. Detach the foot strap and adjust it to a loose position. Then detach the hallux strap and adjust it to a loose position. Carefully position the product on your foot. Insert your toe into the toe loop. Align the product center with the bunion bump and stretch the foot strap, tighten it, and attach it securely. Then tighten the hallux strap and attach it firmly. Final fit. The product should look like this. Helps to correct bunion deformity. Thanks for watching.